A desire is burning in my heart to draw closer to you, Lord. I've been living too far apart. Obedient I want to be. You living inside of me. I know you settle for nothing less than to look at me and see yourself. So hide me away, oh Lord. In your bosom I want to be. Into your secret place, it's my deepest desire, Lord. Oh, all of you, Lord. I'm crying out prayerfully, seeking your holy face for all that you've promised me. Lord, I've had many victories before, but now I see this world is shaking, my life is shaking. Lord, I need you even more. The enemy is at the door. He's determined to destroy me, but I will live a victorious life like Jesus Christ, Lord. Take all that is not of thee and hide me away, oh Lord. In your bosom I want to be. Into your secret place, my deepest desire, Lord, is all of you, oh Lord. I'm crying out prayerfully, seeking your holy face for all that you've promised me. And I believe you'll answer prayer. Lord, I believe you'll answer prayer. With all my heart, I believe you'll answer prayer as I call on thee. I call on you, Lord, for I know you'll answer prayer. You did it for Jonah, Lord, I know you'll answer prayer. Lord, I know you'll answer my prayer as I call on thee. So hide me away, oh Lord. In your bosom I want to be. Oh, into your secret place, it's my deepest desire, Lord, is all of you, Lord. And I'm crying out prayerfully, I'm seeking your holy face for all that you've